Currently, in the CTrader and MetaTrader platforms, most of the brokers from around the world will be quoting 5 digits. This means that when you are looking at a currency pair, it goes to 5 decimal places. And as you can see in the example on the screen, it reads 2.08347. It wasn't always like this. When I first started trading back in 2007, we actually saw 4-digit quotes. So when you use the MetaTrader platform or any other trading software packages, you would only see 4 digits. Now of course, 2.08347 is not easy to say out loud, or when you are thinking about it from a profit and loss standpoint. So when the system was still a 4-digit quote, traders coined the term of a pip. 1 pip is equal to the 4th decimal place, or 0.0001 movement in a currency pair. Nowadays, because we have a 5-digit quote, traders have coined a new term which labels the 5th decimal place a point. So now we have a 4th decimal place which is called a pip, and a 5th decimal place which is called a point. Let's now take a look at how we calculate spread in the market. Spread is calculated by taking the bid price and then subtracting the ask price. We can see that the difference between the bid and the ask is 0.00107. Now as traders, we don't want to use a number like this, so let's convert it back to how many pips it actually is. We can see here that the spread is 10.7 pips, but spreads these days are rarely this large. If you are trading any of the major pairs, like the Euro US dollar, the Australian US dollar, the Great British Pound US dollar, or even the US dollar yen, you will generally see spreads that are a lot smaller. When you are trading in normal conditions, you may see anything from 0.5 of a pip to 1.5 pips, but only during economic news events could you see spreads move much wider. Once again, it wasn't always this way. Back when I first started trading, it was around 15 pips just to trade the pound yen, so it was a very expensive exercise just to enter the market. We now have an opportunity as Forex traders to be able to buy into the market without such a high initial cost, which gives us a far greater chance of placing successful trades. Finally, let's take a look at what a price quotation for the Euro US dollar looks like using the 5-digit decimal system. We can see that the single pip digit is the last 6 in the sequence, and the last point is the last digit, the number 7. So if the pair moves 5.3 pips or 53 points, the new price would be 1.17720.